It's a grand tour of Europe, all in a single day and all in Washington, D.C. Welcome to the European Union Open House. Every year for just one day in May, the embassies of all 27 member nations of the European Union open their doors to curious visitors. Here they are welcomed with cultural treats such as music, costumes, food, art, dancing, and anything else relating to their country's ways of life. Join me as we crisscross the old world while imagining medieval castles, cathedrals, and cobblestone streets surrounding us as we move from embassy to embassy. We might even chance upon the French ambassador's residence along the way. Grab your suitcase, carry-on, and personal item, and let's go!
And we are outside the Greek embassy. And again, insanely long line wraps all the way around the block. Can you see how it goes all the way back? So we will not be going inside this one either. Greece is still on my list. It is one of the few countries in Western Europe I have not been to yet. Looking forward to going. And we will continue on. So here's a statue that is right outside the Greek embassy. We'll just take a quick look. His name is, if I can pronounce it, Eleftherios Venizelos. I'm sure I said it all wrong. But who was this guy? It says that he was a liberal politician, statesman, social reformer, one of the most prominent Greek and European leaders of the 20th century. He marked the modernization of Greece with his political initiatives. So, a little taste of Greece without going inside. And this is where the Romanian Open House is being held. I think this is more of the ambassador's residence. I don't really see a flag or a plaque or anything, but this is it. And again, same thing with the lines. We are outside the Romanian Embassy, and right now I want to show you, basically, it's the same kind of thing that we just saw over at the Finnish Embassy. So this is traditional Romanian drawing here, the same kind of free library that I just told you about. And down here, there's a little free library plaque. And I'm guessing that says little free library in Romanian. Gratuita looks very close to something like gratuity, provided by Romanians of DC. And again, it's the same idea. It's not just the free library for anybody. These books are all in Romanian, meant for the Romanian community. And this one at least is a kid's book. See, and you see the Romanian language there. What else do we have? It looks like they're all kids' books. But still, the other one seemed kind of mixed, or maybe even more for adults. But this one looks like it's more for kids. But it's awesome that they have these kinds of things here. And I imagine there's not a huge Romanian community in DC. I mean, they're around. Oh, we've got some others taking a look. Everybody loves a little free library. It is good stuff.
This is a famous Romanian book.
It is like the popcorn dossier.
This is the exit for the Irish embassy. I overheard somebody say there was a 30-minute wait for the line. I'm not really sure where the line starts, but this is where it ends. And the way you know this is Ireland, you see that, if you can see it, there's the classic Irish harp up there above the door. And this is the entrance, just right around the corner. They're playing traditional Irish music back there. And this is the line. And that is the line for the Italian embassy, and it stretches all the way up there. And that is the Italian embassy, that big white building in the back. And right in front of us, we have someone promoting the Denmark embassy, which is kind of at the end of this road. So we'll take a walk up this way. There you go, the Danish butter cookies, Viking hat, good stuff.
From the Ireland. You just,
That is the line?
You have to go on that street and then right.
Italian embassy again. And this is what's going on at the entrance. Seems like they make you wait behind this gate first. There's the line. And this is the entrance and exit for the Denmark embassy. And they actually have a security checkpoint to go through, which is a little different from the others that we've been seeing. And this just goes on forever, like all the others. Here we have Diplomat plates. So we are outside the French ambassador's residence. And what an incredible building back there. The French embassy is actually in a different part of the city in Georgetown, but so this is where the ambassador lives. And right in front, you can see a replica Statue of Liberty. It is a 10-foot tall bronze replica, and it is draped in a Ukraine flag. So that's something you don't expect to see here in DC. A, the Statue of Liberty. B, the Statue of Liberty draped in a Ukrainian flag. But anyway, yeah, this is the French ambassador's residence, and this is right in the heart of all the other embassies that we've been looking at in this video. And again, from a little different angle. All right, and we have made it to the Lithuanian Embassy, and this one is about a 45-minute walk from where we just were. And it has paid off because for the very first time today, there is no line, practically no line. It will not take long to go in. This neighborhood is about halfway between Adams Morgan and Columbia Heights. And there's a beautiful hike up here on Colorama Road. That's where that Statue of Liberty and the French ambassador's residence, that was about halfway from there to here. So we will go ahead and get on this very short line and take a look at the Lithuanian Embassy.